we take the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and we put it up against the Boxycharm Standard Base Box. Both of these boxes are $25. They both have dedicated videos already up on my channel, but this is when we bring them together and we decide which one is actually worth the $25. So before we get into the actual unboxing and the whole, what would you call that, like rumble of the boxes? I don't know. Let me introduce myself. Hey, if you are new here, my name's Rhonda, better known as HOTMESSMOMMAMD, makeup diva, not medical doctor. Y'all, and over here we run on a ton, and I mean a ton, of caffeine. And fortunately, it is a judgment-free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup, but we remember that at the end of the day, it is in fact just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious, and there is just no drama for this mama over here, because your girl don't have energy for that 99.99% of the time. Anywho, let's get into this. These boxes, like I said, are both $25, and they are a monthly subscription. Let's go ahead and dive right into the Ipsy. I will tell you guys, typically we get a card in our Ipsy that gives us a little information about each item that is in this box, as well as the retail value of it. For whatever reason, if you guys saw mine and Hailey's video where we compared our Glam Bag Pluses up against each other, you will know that for whatever reason, and our card did not give us the grand total of the items. It's not in my Ipsy app either, so I don't know what's going on with Ipsy. You guys know I've been pretty vocal on my thoughts on that. But anywho, I will tell you guys that it did come with a postcard, but it gives me really no real information on it. The first item I want to talk about is this. Now, I don't know how much they retail valued for. I obviously gave an honest opinion. These are the LaRousse brushes. They, you know, are a set of 5 of them, and I will tell you guys, at first thought, at first glance, I was like, cheapies, what have you. Now, when that video went up of Hailey and I unboxing them, y'all were like, girl, those are like really expensive brushes. I forgot to use them today when I did my whole face. I will tell you, the flat foundation brush reminds me a lot of the Morphe Y6 brush that I use pretty much every time that I apply my foundation. So I will have to maybe potentially put them up against each other and see, because I really like this Morphe brush, and it's crazy inexpensive. You guys told me that these brushes, this set is like $150 some. Yeah. So to see that up against the Morphe, I'm like, I don't know about that. I will definitely have to use them and remember to use them, or they'll end up in a giveaway or in Hailey's kit or something. But yeah, I just don't see the price tag as far as that goes. So anywho, the next item that we did receive, this was one that we got to pick, and Ipsy does allow you to customize one of your items in here, and I chose the Gerard Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I thought it was called Sweater, but I don't see it on here. But I mean, it does have a cute little, like, you know what I mean? No, it's okay, me neither. Anywho, you pull it out and you've got the little standard type of cardboard packaging, and this is the eyeshadow palette. Now, I think the eyeshadow palette is really pretty. I actually have a lot of the colors on today, and I paired it with the shimmers of Cloud 9 and Wonderland from the C Color Cosmetics Lust in Paradise palette. C Color Cosmetics did send this to me, and the video actually should already be up of me using some of this palette. But you guys, this palette is like $6 and change. It's a dupe for the Too Faced Natural Lust palette, and it's $6 and change. I'm just saying, if you use my coupon code HOTMESS10, by the way. So anywho, I have 2 of the shimmers on there. This is an all matte palette. It is really pretty. Kind of reminds me of a few shades from the Norvina palette, as well as the Huda Beauty light palette. I don't have it sitting here. Right here, the Nude Light palette. Kind of, no, never mind. Not so much. Just ignore me. Anywho, I got this palette. I like the Gerard Cosmetics formula. I do like the way that they blend and build up and everything like that. But again, I don't know. I want to say this palette was like $30 some. The next item that I did get is the El Maquillage ink eyeliner, and I told you guys this before. I do the review of the products on the Ipsy app, and I keep putting in there like, sis don't want no liquid liners, you know. Like, I have one liquid liner that I do occasionally use. It's by Hank and Henry. I like it because it's so thin and precise, and I don't have a lot of, what do they call that, real estate when it comes to my lids, and I have slightly hooded eyes, and I have very mature lids, so like I don't want a pen that's going to take up a lot of room or what have you. I'm not going to open this because it is going to go to Haley, but Haley said that she already has one open, so I don't want to dry this one out. But yeah, got that. That was a lot. Okay, a lot of rambles here, friends. It's a lot of rambles. Like, I would suggest put in your settings the playback speed to be like really like 2.75 or something like that, and you can get through the entire video in its entirety. I am so weird. Okay, so the next item we did get is the Dr. Botanicals Po. It is the pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Now, I looked this up and I was able to find it on Beauty Bay for $16. So it's 1 fluid ounce. I still need to test this out and try it out, but I like skincare. I enjoy getting skincare, so there's that. Okay, so the last item, because we did get a bag with it, but I'll show it to you. Okay, so here's the bag, and I told you guys in the actual video it was odd because this is a standard bag that we get with our Ipsy Glam Bag, and normally in our Plus we get a larger bag, so I'm not for sure what that was about. The last item is this lipstick. I actually have it on today paired with my Sugar and Spice, because you know I'm all about the Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice liner. But this is by, what is this by? Bella and Argent or something. Probably didn't say it correctly. This is in the shade 3 Plays. Like I said, I have it on today. It's very comfortable. I like it a lot. It actually kind of reminds me of the Gerard Cosmetics lipsticks. So I do like that. It does transfer just a smidgen, but like I said, it's very comfortable. I pressed it in to my lips, and I actually really do enjoy this color. So that is everything in the Ipsy box for February. Now, like I said in my dedicated Boxy versus Boxy video, Boxycharm did send this to me complimentary, and if you guys saw the dedicated video of the Boxy versus Boxy, what I did is I took both of the base boxes that they were kind enough to send me this month. I put them up against each other, and whichever one I liked out of those two, I brought it to this one for y'all. So this is the box right here. We did get a card in here, and the variation is 45. Now, Boxycharm always puts a little information about each of the products in here, as well as the retail value of each item. You guys always ask the weight of my Boxycharm, and on my mail scale, it was 1.46 pounds. Okay, so the first item that we did get is the Evo Skin by Aurora, or times Aurora. These have a $10 retail value, and you get a total of 15, was it 15? Yeah, 15 makeup wipes in here. So really, I'm not a huge makeup wipe person, but these are always nice, like for on the go or what have you. I'll be honest with y'all, I have very active kids, so when we're out and about, if they need something like that, this is always nice to have, because at some point Kentucky weather is going to, you know, get warm again, hopefully, and this will be perfect because, you know, on the go, wipe your face down. Okay, so this item I have been using almost every single day since I got it in this box. This is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay. This is a loose setting powder. You guys, I have been putting this underneath my eyes really lightly with my Juno & Co sponge. Just it is beautiful. And I've been using it off to the side a little bit as well. It says it has a little bit of a mattifier to it or something, but it's not the kind of mattifying that is going to like dry your skin and give it a creepy look or anything. Like I said, I put it underneath my eyes, and I thought that the real play on it today, or I don't think that's the right word to use, but typically when I do my makeup, all I have underneath my eyes is my Tatcha Pearl in the shade Moonlight, and then I'll go in with my Gerard Cosmetics and put a little bit of that Set and Hydrate powder, whatever, really long name, but I use it all the time. So today, I don't put foundation up under my eyes, obviously, but I took and I had this under here, and then I did a little bit of my Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer, and then I set it with this. Oh, beautiful. When I put just these two together, it's beautiful, but I thought, it may start to look a little cakey. It's not. It did not. Oh, it looks amazing. So I absolutely love this powder. It just looks absolutely beautiful. And it has a retail value of $22. Now, okay, so the next items that we got is by Alamar Cosmetics, and they're dirty because I've been using them. These brushes are absolutely amazing. This is a trio that retails for $36. This brush right here, I did not try it with my, it's a bronzer brush. I mean, I wonder if you could do it with your, you may be able to try foundation or something with it, but I've just been using it with powders and whatnot, and I love this brush. I set this one sometimes underneath my eyes like so, and then of course we've got our angled blush brush and whatnot. So really happy with these brushes. They're really comfortable, they're really soft, and I was so excited to get these. You guys know that. You guys know I was geeking out. Okay, that sounds weird. Okay, so moving on, the next item was the Kate Somerville Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptides, which was another item I was excited to get. It has a retail value of $98. You guys, I love good skincare. However, if you're gonna put it in a $25 box, your girl loves it even more because this is expensive stuff that you guys have told me is absolutely amazing. Now, I've gotten a lot of skincare here lately, so I'm trying to get through that. So definitely make sure to subscribe because I do empty videos every so often, and I give you guys like a quick little review on all of the products that I've been using. But I am so excited. It says on here that people actually start to see results in little as a week, but it targets the loss of elasticity, firmness, while visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So it's a anti-aging product, and I was crazy excited about that. Now, the last item that we got, and this is another one, I've not opened it yet because I haven't opened it yet because I'm still trying to get through the pads that I already have open, but this is the First Aid Beauty Radiance Pads. And you guys have said these are absolutely wonderful. So right now I'm currently using a radiant type of pad and exfoliant. It has like an AHA, I think, in it, and a BHA or something. So I'm currently using those up. I had gotten it in another subscription box last year sometime. So I will be using these next, but from what you guys said, absolutely amazing. And it has a retail value of $16. It is a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acid to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Currently, what I'm using does the exact same thing, but it is more expensive. So I am very excited to try these because as of right now, the ones I am using, I would definitely repurchase, but they're more money. So if I can get away with these, which is less, that makes me happy. And I will tell you guys, using these types of pads, I have noticed that my pores don't look as large and inflamed, if that makes sense. So when it comes down to it, putting these boxes up against each other, which one do I like? I will tell you, out of the Ipsy, the two products I liked was the eyeshadow palette and the lipstick. I will tell you, the lipstick is something that I'd be okay with using every day. I think that it's a really pretty neutral shade, and I do feel that Ipsy did follow my profile as far as that went with giving me a lipstick shade that I was comfortable with. However, my Boxycharm box, I love everything in it. Like, these brushes are amazing. These have been like some everyday brushes since I received this box. And this powder, I've used this powder every single flippin' day. I love it. And of course, then I've got the skincare, which I love skincare. And for me, I'm not even going to go and tell you guys what the value of the Boxycharm box is, just because I don't know the value of the Ipsy one. So to me, the price doesn't matter, but I've heard nothing but amazing things on the Kate Somerville and the First Aid Beauty products. And for what I've been using thus far, these products are holy grails for me. Like, these are, this is a powder that I grab every day. These are brushes that I use every day. And that's that. So for the $25 value, I'm definitely giving it to Boxycharm. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below on the products that you got. The only skincare product that I got in my Ipsy is this Dr. Botanicals, and it's a $16 product. I haven't used it yet. I definitely will, but I don't know. Let me know down below you guys' thoughts on that. I honestly, had I not gotten the palette in the Ipsy, I would have been like, this was a bust. But I don't think it was like horrible. It just definitely wasn't one of my favoriteest boxes, but I'm giving it to Boxy once again. I do have referral links for both of these subscriptions if you guys are interested in signing up. I will tell you, my Boxycharm is an affiliate link, so I will earn a little bit of a commission if you do decide to sign up. I'm actually gonna hop off and do a Boxycharm sneak peek, so I don't know, that video may already be up. So if it is, definitely check my channel. Maybe at the end of this video, I'll have some videos pop up and you can click on those and watch the video that I'm doing for the March sneak peeks of Boxycharm. I'm so excited about it. Boxycharm has just been doing amazing. And you guys know, like I said, I have not been too thrilled with Ipsy at all. I'm just saying. Anyways, guys, I still have a giveaway going on my channel right now. I was trying to think of when this video is going to go up. It should go up while that video, or while that giveaway is still going on. I do have a second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. I haven't been as active on that lately, to be honest, because I just haven't been feeling too good. It is a Chalk Zero giveaway if you guys are interested. I will leave the link to my channel listed down below. Okay, I'm going to hop off because I do what I always do, and I made the video really long. So thank you if you stuck around. I greatly appreciate it. And check my description box down below for all kinds of good information. And I will catch you in the next video, guys. As always, guys, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.